Technology-enhanced learning, transforming education. Are you ready to unlock the full potential of education in the digital age? Let's explore how technology can revolutionize teaching, learning, and assessment, making education more accessible and effective for everyone. Technology-enhanced learning, or TEL, is more than just using computers in the classroom. It's about strategically integrating technology to improve the entire educational experience. Think of it as a catalyst for innovation in how we teach and learn. TEL aims to enhance teaching methodologies, making them more engaging and interactive. It also focuses on improving learning outcomes by providing personalized and adaptive learning experiences. Finally, it seeks to make education more accessible to diverse learners, regardless of their location or background. Technology offers teachers a wealth of tools to create dynamic and engaging lessons. Interactive whiteboards, educational apps, and online resources can transform traditional lectures into interactive experiences. This keeps students more involved and motivated. Teachers can also use technology to personalize instruction. Learning management systems, LMS, allow teachers to track student progress and identify areas where they need extra support. This data-driven approach enables teachers to tailor their instruction to meet the individual needs of each student. TEL empowers students to take control of their learning. Online learning platforms provide access to a vast library of resources, allowing students to learn at their own pace and explore topics that interest them. This fosters a sense of ownership and responsibility for their education. Collaborative tools, such as online forums and shared documents, enable students to work together on projects and learn from each other. This promotes teamwork, communication, and critical thinking skills, which are essential for success in the 21st century. Technology offers new and innovative ways to assess student learning. Online quizzes and tests can provide instant feedback, allowing students to identify areas where they need to improve. This helps them learn from their mistakes and track their progress. E-portfolios allow students to showcase their work and reflect on their learning journey. This provides a more holistic view of their skills and abilities than traditional exams. It also encourages self-reflection and metacognition. One of the most significant benefits of TEL is its ability to increase access to education for underserved populations. Online learning platforms can reach students in remote areas or those who are unable to attend traditional schools due to disabilities or other circumstances. This democratizes education and provides opportunities for everyone to learn and grow. Open Educational Resources, OER, provide free and accessible learning materials for anyone to use. This reduces the cost of education and makes it more affordable for students from low-income backgrounds. Technology-enhanced learning is not just a trend, it's the future of education. By embracing technology and integrating it strategically into our teaching and learning practices, we can create a more engaging, effective, and accessible education system for all. Ready to take the next step in your TEL journey? Subscribe to our channel for more insights and practical tips on leveraging technology to transform education. Let's build a brighter future for education together.